Welcome back to another deadlift mistakes video. In this video we're going to talk about loose lats in the deadlift. When you deadlift, if you are video recording yourself from the side and you see that barbell kind of pendulum as you pull on the bar, some of that could be due in part to the fact that your back muscles or your lat muscles are not doing their job. They're not locked down. So if you do see that that barbell is kind of penduluming back and forth, that means that your lats aren't basically firing and locking down that bar. That bar path should be vertical and obviously not yanking you forward and back. Because if you think about being as efficient as possible, you do want that bar moving straight up. You don't want it yanking you back and forth, because now you're just wasting your energy trying to stabilize that barbell instead of just pressing through the floor and driving that barbell straight up. So just like I said, it's kind of inefficient and you're losing energy. So how do we fix this? We get your lats turned on. So if you imagine like you go to the barbell and somebody puts their thumb in the back of your armpit here and you squeeze those lats, and you're trying to keep those shoulders down and away from your ears, and you still squeeze those lats, you should feel these muscles in your back firing, and that's what's going to kind of help stabilize that barbell as you fire right up. A really easy variation to use to kind of figure out how to turn those lats on or how to stabilize that barbell is to have a red band hooked up to that barbell, trying to pull that bar away from the body. It should just be like, it should be a very light load. There shouldn't be high tension in that band. But what that's going to do is you have to pull that bar in towards the body, and that's going to help you lock your back into place, which can help stabilize that barbell and helps you be more efficient and fix your problem of that pendulum on the squat with that bar path. That's today's video. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the page. We'll see you on the next one. Talk soon.